Filter for my Mavic Pro, 6 pieces. I need some filter on the camera, so I got them in my post. And here is my Mavic. Different filters, ND8, 16, 32, 4 is some of them. Little manual. Filter for Mavic Pro user manual. In English and Chinese, of course, because everything is made in Chinese. We can see here the filter you get if you buy this pack I do with 6 pieces. You get ND4, ND8, 16, ND32, CPL and MCUE. That's the 6 filter you get. And installation is pretty easy. You easy take them on camera, put straight on, carefully, and they sit good. There, and here it is. Six different filters. Can take one out like this. Stand something here. Sunny Life. What kind of filter is this? This is MCUE. Take a look at this. They're easy, straight on camera. This is ND32, so this is good for when it's much sun, because it's very dark. Yeah, they look good, and it's many people who have bought them and they have good reviews, these Sunny Life filters here, so I think they are very good. I should try them now very soon. You can buy in pack and 3 or 6 filter. So one of my filter is now put on. See here. It's very easy to set it on. Like this. Get the new filter on. There we have two DJI Go Fore. Yes. Rick Reyes. Yes, I know. But here Here is filter. So nice. This is what I need for this drone. So cool. Here is my pack with 6 different filters. Very, very nice. So the filter who is on now is ND32. This filter I have now is perfect when it's like sun, much sun. Very good. Very easy to put on, and it looks like that this is high quality material. Sunny Life. You can buy them in 3 or 6 filters. I bought 6, so I have something to choose about. There. Very, very nice.